Right off the top at 5, a bus packed with passengers in the path of danger and the crash sending more than a dozen people to the hospital. Hello and welcome everyone. That bus slamming into a FedEx delivery truck.
That touched off a flurry of activity to rescue the injured. 7's Raj Lowe live for us at Jackson Hospital to bring us the latest now. Raj?
And as one passenger put it, people were flying everywhere. This was a violent collision, and what made matters worse is that this was a crowded Miami-Dade transit bus. And when we arrived on scene, numerous people were being taken to the hospital.
An accident here, 17th Street and Northwest 7th Avenue, involving a FedEx truck and a Miami-Dade transit bus.
What a wild commute for passengers on this Miami-Dade transit bus. Look at this video here. Passengers being taken off that bus on stretchers.
No, I was sitting in the back and I just heard the screech and the slam. People were flying everywhere.
Some passengers even being taken out the window.
On our initial response, we had about maybe 5 to maybe 10 people who were complaining of some injuries, so that made it a level 1 mass casualty incident. But as we started assessing patients inside the bus, we found that more people were complaining about injuries, and that turned into a level 2.
25 people evaluated on the scene. 18 of those people were transported, including the bus driver, to area hospitals.
The one concern that we did have initially was a 16-year-old little girl who was on the bus who was wheelchair bound. Not sure what kind of injury she sustained, but she was transported to the area hospital.
According to Miami police, the preliminary investigation shows that the driver of the FedEx truck ran a red light, slamming into the bus and causing the accident.
Some people that were lying around me, just make sure that they were okay, sit back, and there was somebody lying on the floor, decided that they wanted to stay there. Just making sure that everybody was okay.
And this accident occurred literally blocks away from Jackson Memorial Hospital. So most of the people that were injured were taken right here to Jackson. And the fortunate part in all this, and you saw the damage to both vehicles, is that there were no life-threatening injuries. We're live outside Jackson tonight. Raj Lowe, 7 News.